So now let's say these are the questions that I have added already over here. This is my quiz, and if you want to add a question you can add here as well with the help of add question button, as you can see here in the top in the bottom right corner. And if you just want to keep it till here, then you can just save it with the button that you can see on the top right corner, save. Just save it, and then your Kahoot will be saved. For example, I come to my games like my Kahoot. So this is the Kahoot that I have just created, basics of computer. Now I have created it, but I want to share it with the students. So I will just click on it, and here you can see three dots over here, an option that has three dots. Just click and then go to share. Click on share and copy the shareable link. Just copy the shareable link, or you can just directly go to Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Let's say I'm going to WhatsApp from here, and I want to share it to um, let's say um, for example, I am sharing it with Ms. Bushra, or if there is a student group as well, just click on that and your Kahoot will be shared. Just click on send button, and the one who will be receiving this link will be just clicking on the link. As you can see on the screen, I'm clicking on it, and the system will ask me to select the application, and this will be the screen that they'll have on their mobiles, or if they are using computer they can have this screen on their computers. So here you can see in the bottom right corner there is a play button. You do not have to click any other option over here. Just directly go to this play button, click on this play, and you can select from these two option. I will go to let's say host live. The application is loading. It is taking time, so let's go to the other option, and you can assign this challenge to others as well. And there is the this is the pin that you can use to send to the people to whom you want to challenge this quiz. I have already shown you the enter pin option. That option will be used to enter this pin, and then you can play this game as the players in the challenge. I'm clicking on done, and then I have two options over here: start playing or share pin. So you can share pin with all the people with whom you want to share this challenge, and you can just simply click on start playing to start playing this game. You can select a name over here and ask your students to just write their actual name rather than just taking any nickname, and then click on submit. Okay, go. So now I have this question in front of me, and the time is decreasing. You must select an option before the time limit expires. um, so this is you can also set the time limit as well. When you will be creating the quiz, you will see a time limit option over there as well, so you can set the time accordingly. For example, if there is an easier question, you can just give them 10 seconds or lesser. But if the question is a bit difficult and it is going to take some time, you can exceed the time then just 10 seconds. You can set it accordingly, and you can also set the points as well. That I have forgotten to share with you how you can set the points and the time, but that is very easy and self-explanatory when you will be setting a question. When you will be writing the question, there you can see two options to add points and time that you want to assign to them. So now if I am done with one question, I am playing as a student at the moment. Click on next, keyboards and output device. So it's a false, I'll click on false. So now at the end, the system shows me my points, and this is how you do it. That's all for Kahoot, and these are altogether 3 tutorials that I have created for Kahoot, and you must watch all of them to get expertise in it. Jazakallah.